In this video we want to see how to use styles in LibreOffice. For this paragraph we want a new style named a paragraph in order to be first, and next style will be the same, a paragraph. We choose line spacing a little more, and let's see how this style works. We have here, we get it. Now we have to make a style for the summary of the document. We take this style and new style from here, and name it a summary, and the next one will be a paragraph, because after summary it's a paragraph. And we want to be centered, we want a smaller font, another color. Let's apply. I want a little change, modify, font, and we have it. Now it's time for the title. We take it from here, new, organizer, new, organizer, a title, and after that it's a summary. Okay, so we want a little more spacing below and above, and line spacing to be much more. We want center, we want a page break after before that title, and the font to be bigger. Okay, let's apply this style to the title. We select the title and apply the new style, and now let's see just the custom styles, just the styles we created today. And we have this. I want to modify a little, it's too little, it's okay now. It's better. How we use these styles? Let's see a new style, a new chapter with a new title, with a new summary, with a new paragraph. We don't have to do anything, just to select and apply. Summary, apply, new title, apply. You can see the title move away on another page because we said to the title to move on another page before it. And now we can see the new paragraph is not good aligned. We want to be justify. Let's modify here. Justify. Okay, it's justify here, it's justify here. It's very good. We change, make any changes just once. The paragraph, we want a new change. We want to change the font. We change once, and the change is everywhere. Please subscribe,